So today I'm going to be showing you how to add text behind the subject in your photos. So first we're going to drag and drop our image into Adobe Photoshop and go straight to the text tool and write out the message that we want. Once that's completed, we're just going to make sure that layer is highlighted and click Command T to reposition and resize our message. If you ever want to edit the characteristics of your text, you can do so in the characters panel. Before this video started, I already designed my message to how I would like, and then I'm just going to reposition it to where just a tad of the text will be hiding behind this first mountain range. And when I'm okay with the positioning, all I have to do is press enter and it will secure it into that spot. So there's one of two ways that we can delete this bottom portion of the text. The first is to create a layer mask and just erase it with the brush tool. So we're going to do that first. So again, just make sure that layer is highlighted and press add new layer mask right here in the bottom. We are going to drop down the opacity of the text just so we can see what we will be erasing. And then just zooming in to the bottom of the text and selecting our brush. And what we're going to do is just erase it as if you're coloring. And this is a great way and easy way to do it. But I'm using a mouse and not a Wacom, so a lot of the times I can accidentally just go overboard, and sometimes it's not clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other way to do it. So I'm gonna zoom out and hide the text layer just for a little bit. We're gonna go to the background and create a duplicate of that. So all I'm doing is Command C, Command V, and I'm going to rename this to foreground. We're going to be working on the foreground layer and selecting this first mountain range. So how we do that is go to the quick selection tool in your little panel here on your left side of your screen, and we're going to use a little brush with the plus mark next to it, and we're just going to select this whole mountain range. And obviously this was too much, so I'm going to use the brush with the little minus on it and just take out what I need to. Once you're happy with the selection, we're going to go ahead and zoom out so we see the whole photo, and we are going to create another layer mask. So we're just going to click this at the bottom, and what that does is just cut out this first mountain range. So if you hide the background, you can see that's all that's left. So what we're going to do is just take your text and just drag it to be squished in between your foreground and your background, and voila! There's your final product. I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you on my next one. Thanks.
That's good.